Behold, this is the elevator at the Admiral in Baltimore Hotel in Baltimore, in Rehoboth Beach, Delaware. Used to be an old Delaware, but modernized. Used to have old GL, modernized. Oh man, I'm so sad. I don't know what the is this? Yep. Now it has an innovation Bruiser button on the outside. Makes me sad. There's the elevator machine room right there. Alright. This really makes me sad to see this elevator be filled, be modernized. And here it comes. Go to 5. Two. 3. 4. And you're at 5. Right. They replaced the old GL with Innovation Universal on the inside. And up there is the old floor indicator. So much for this elevator. While over there is the only indoor pool they have. And over there is the, over there is the Atlantic Saint. Well, I like the ocean view as well. The ocean view looks so nice. Modernization of these elevators. And over there stop seats, I couldn't get in. Makes me sad. Very sad. Sad. You see, these elevators get modern. You see, this helped me get modernized. Yep, used to have the old GL buttons in it. Makes me so sad. Yep, makes me so sad. Keep in mind, viewer discretion is advised. I meant parental discretion is advised. Yes. What's taking it so long? It's not like it's speeding to me. Thanks. 2 white lights on those lanterns. Huh, I've seen those count before. In Ocean City. 1. Here we go, Cameo. I can't believe we made the ceiling even a little lower. Even for a big guy, you know. Certificate's right there. Merciful button and capacity is 2,500 pounds. And we're at 1. Ladies first. R.I.P. old elevator that I used to film and Diesel Doozy filmed. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, click on this tab. For more videos, click either one of them.